my name is Gwen, I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a Wax Melts Brittle. I'm using my niece's favorite fragrance oil at the moment, named In My Orchard, a mix of fruits and flowers. I choose to use the color of the unicorn, white, yellow, pink and purple. You can find my recipe in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. If you have any question for me, you can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye!
It's all the same, some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save enough. She knows that, but I'm show it off. Hey, she playing cool now, but these my rules now. Don't play it off. So shimmy on, shimmy yeah. We could unwind if you just let me shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go the way. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Drinks in the air now. Tropical vibes are taking over.